Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you to delete the email account for your website domain. So stay tuned. First, we must log into cpanel with cpanel login username and password, which will take us to the cpanel settings page. We need to scroll down to email section and click email account. In this page, you will find all the email accounts created in cpanel. To delete the email account, we can select the email account. And next, click the delete button here, or we can click manage button, which will take us to this page. We need to click this delete email account button in the bottom of the page. And again, we need to confirm deleting the email account because once we delete the email account, all the emails and data in the email account will be deleted forever. Unsuccessfully, the email account is completely deleted in cpanel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more of my tutorial videos by clicking the playlist video links in description section of this video.